Hello guys, welcome to One Mini DIY. This is Juan. We have our signature case in Narra stained hardwood. Okay, you see the back, the bottom, and the top part. The feature of the signature case is this palm rest, this angle cut on the body. So when you put your palm there, it's very comfortable. You won't feel the edges, the edge here. It's just natural. Okay. Same thing with the when you put your hands on the lever. Unlike the traditional cases, you will feel the edge of the front panel of your fight sticks, especially on the wrist here. But the signature case we have is very comfortable. Okay, that's the main feature of this case. And also it's compact, and it only weighs like 4 pounds for this entire custom fight stick. And the size is 15 inches by 8 inches, and then the height is 2 inches. Okay, this one 2 inches. It only has 6 buttons because the client requested for it. I believe he's only playing mostly retro games with few buttons to play, so that's why it only has 6. And the lever we use here is Sanwa JLX lever, the latest version. So that replaced the JLF Sanwa lever. It's more accurate and it's smoother. When you rotate it, you feel the difference with the old version Sanwa JLF. And the buttons, these are Sanwa OBSF screw-in type. These buttons are screw-ins, not snap-in buttons, just like what we usually use for our fight sticks. Alright, and at the back, these are Sanwa 24mm buttons, Type C, and power LED indicator. And the art, this is wood vinyl, black silver wood finish. We have different types of wood vinyl. If you don't like art and you want it to be like this, simple but elegant design, you can choose the wood vinyl art. We have black silver, this one. We have dark wood and white wood. Alright, just message us if you want to have that wood vinyl art. And this fight stick, we have the GP2040CE PCB for this fight stick. It can only play PC and retro consoles, but it can be upgraded to PS5 if you requested for it. Okay, price, this is around 12,000 pesos, around 240 USD, excluding shipping fee. Okay, and also we already have a page where you can customize your fight sticks. Just check the description below. You can check that link and start customizing your dream fight sticks. You will see the price also converted to USD, so you will have the idea how much your fight sticks will cost if you order a custom fight stick with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also you can visit our page at facebook.com/JUANminiDIY, and also our official website, JUANminiDIY.com. Thank you and God bless. Rock on.